Here comes another one. Okay. The questions are a little bit long, the solutions are shorter. And here is the picture. Okay. Now, let's look at the question. A drawbridge is L equals 200 feet long. So this bridge from this point to this point, that's 200 feet long. Okay? When stretched across a river. So that means when this bridge was done here, so you have a 200 feet. When this went down here, it's 200 feet. As shown in the figure below. And then the two sections of the bridge can be rotated upward through an angle of alpha equals 37 degrees. So this bridge can be raised up like that with the angle 37 degrees. If they closed like that, the gap, that's 200 feet in total. If you rotate it or you raise the bridge, then each side's got 100. So this part is 100 feet. This part is also 100 feet. So when you raise up, you have hypotenuse 100 feet. That's the point. And you are given the angle is 37. Okay? And then, apparently this is a right angle here, 90 degrees. You want to find out AB, and you can basically answer all the questions they are going to ask us. Okay? Look, what do we need to find out? We need to find out that A, if the water level is 35 feet, here is water. Water level is 35 feet below the closed bridge. You see when the bridge is closed like that, the bridge is closed in this way. The car cannot go across. Okay? So if the water level is 35 degrees below the closed bridge, that's basically that. When the bridge is like that, so you will have a 35 feet. The bridge is 35 feet above the water level. Ask us to find the distance d between the end of the sections and the water level when the bridge is fully open. So it's open like this. Okay, ask us to find out d. Okay. All right. Now, here we need to find out the distance from this part to this part. And we know this is 35, so we only need to find out A. If we find out A, we add on 35, then we have the whole thing D. Okay? When the bridge is fully open. Okay. All right. Now, if you look at this triangle, A is the opposite side of 37. A over 100 feet, that's opposite side over hypotenuse. A over 100 is sine 37 degrees. Okay, opposite side of hypotenuse is sine 37 degrees. Okay, 37 is given, and then this side is 100. Yeah. Again, it's because of what? This is 200 feet in total. When the bridge was closed, the gap was closed, they all go down. Each side gets 100. When you rotate this bridge up, bridges are fully open. Okay, then this comes to be 100 hypotenuse. Okay. So you have A over 100 is sine 37. Okay, both sides multiplied by 100. You may eliminate this 100 down on denominator. So left hand side you have A left. Right hand side is 100 times 37 sine 37 degrees. Okay, so in this case 37 is not a special angle. You got to use calculator to find out what's the value for A. Down here 37 degrees, you want to make sure that your calculator is in the degree mode. You hit on mode to see degrees highlighted. Okay, and then you second quit. You have the blank screen. If the screen was not blank, you want to press clear. Okay, now here is 100 times sine 37 degrees. You hit enter, you have a 60.18. Okay, that's A. 60.18 is A. You add 35 is 95.18. If you just need one digit after the decimal point, you got to round it up. Remember, in the middle, you always want to have 2 digits after decimal point. If the final answer requires 1 digit, you need 2 digits in the middle steps. Otherwise, you may get mistakes. Okay. Now we get A. We need B. What is the B? You see, B needs to find how far apart are the ends of 2 sections. Ask us to find out how far apart from here to here. We know from here to here is 200 feet. Here is B, so 200 feet minus this 2B, you will get the distance between these 2 points, how far apart, when the bridge is fully open. Okay, so we need to find out B. Again, B over 100 feet is cosine. Adjacent side over hypotenuse is cosine. B over 100 is cosine 37 degrees. And then both sides multiplied by 100. You may cancel this 100. So left hand side has B left over. Right hand side is 100 times cosine 37 degrees. So you have a B. And then you need to use your calculator to find out the value. 100 times cosine 37 degrees. You hit enter, you have a 79.86. That's the middle step. You need 2 digits. You have a B. Then this side is B, this side is B, together is 2B. And this part is 200 in total. So 200 minus 2 times 79.86, that's 40.23, and you round it up, that's 40.27, you round it up, that will be 40.3 feet. That will be how far apart between those two. And that's the final answer. Okay? So trigonometry is actually very useful, and we will see more applications later on. Okay, and that's the end of the lecture for applications of trigonometric functions. I'll see you next time.